Hello everybody, Simon Whelan here from Glenergy. Just wanted to talk to you about the updated solar PV grant from SEAI that came into play on the 16th of February. Some very positive changes and some things that stayed the same. What stayed the same is the actual panel grant, which is €900 per kilo peak, and that's up to 2 kilowatts, and then €300 per kilowatt peak after that, up to 4 kilowatts. So the maximum grant you can get is €2,400, and that's to a 4 kilowatt system. So that's stayed the same. What's changed has been the battery grant has actually been removed. So there was €600 available, but now that's not there anymore. And this is probably in advance of the feed-in tariff that we expect to come into play later on this year, which will reduce the requirement for batteries because you'll be compensated for the excess that you might be producing in your systems. The other change was that the BER requirement has been removed. There used to be a CBER for your house required before you got the grant, but that's not there anymore. So you still need to do a BER assessment after the fact, but there's no minimum threshold to meet. So any BER rating will still get the grant. Other change was the actual house age. So houses before 2011 was the previous requirement, but now it's houses before 2021. So that's a very positive change. So it opens up a whole new tranche of houses, house types for the grant, particularly houses that were built new that have heat pumps in them for the last over the last 10 years or so. That would be a very advantageous option for those people to put in solar PV systems at this point. They've got a higher electricity load, solar PV producing electricity. It's a very happy marriage to put heat pumps and PV together. So solar PV is a really good option. It's a no-brainer almost at this point. You can put a 3 kilowatt system in, fully financed, for about the price of a coffee a day. So it's really worthwhile looking at. If you want to discuss your options, please feel free to give us a call on 015563100, and I'll be happy to talk you through what solar PV can do for you. Thanks very much for listening, and hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.